Let's start today's practice with feet about hip wide open. Bring your hands onto your waist. Inhale. And as you exhale, bend forward. Keep your back straight. Bring the hands onto your thighs, shin bones, or on the ground, whichever feels the best. Relax your neck. Then interlock your arms and let your back be hanged to stretch your vertebrae. And let go of the hands and come back one vertebra at a time. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Bring your right foot forward, left foot back, and your feet are about hip width apart. Bring the hands onto your waist. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward, and if possible, bring the hands onto the ground. And if it's not possible, you can bring the hands onto your shin bones. You can do exactly what it feels best to practice at this moment. Keep your left hand wherever it is, whether on shin bone or on the ground. Keep the one hand onto waist. Inhale. As you exhale, twist the chest to the right. Back to the center, and bring your hands, both hands back, interlock your hands. Try to bring your chest towards the knee. Bring the hands to the side. Come onto the right foot, balance, and try to bring your left leg out. Possible, bring the hands together or keep them about shoulder width apart. Come back. Change your leg. Hands onto your waist. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Walk down your hands onto your thighs, shin bones, or onto the ground. And keep your right hand onto the shin bone or on the ground. Take your left hand onto your waist. With care and support, as you exhale, twist to the left. back. Bring the hands on the waist and interlock your fingers. Keep moving forward. Our goal is to bring the chest to the knee gradually. Come back. Arms to the side, the shoulder level and forwards, and raise your right leg up. And if you can, bring your hands shoulder width apart, palm facing each other. Exhale, release, shake your leg. Then roll your shoulders up and down and release if there's any tension. Side. Sit down in a squatting position. Palm on the ground, about shoulder width apart. And lift your hips up so that the knee comes behind your upper arms. Then you're going forward and backward. Forward, backward. Beginners can keep doing this. Intermediate can lift one leg at a time. And advanced can lift both legs up. Come down. Sit onto your sitting bones. Stretch your legs out. Bend your right knee by the side of the left. Grab with your left arm, right hand on the back. Inhale, lift your chest all the way up, extending your spine towards the sky as you exhale, and twist to the right. Come back to the center, change your leg, your spine nice and tall. As you inhale, exhale, twist to the left. Back to the center, stretch your leg, shake your legs, lean back slightly, let go for a moment. Preparing your mind for your daily routine. Namaste.